shrimp scampi. Just saying the name is delicious. Today, I'm diving into Natasha's Kitchen's take on this classic, simple, yet sophisticated seafood dish. Imagine buttery shrimp, perfectly cooked with just the right garlic hit. Let's break it down together. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need large shrimp, lemon, garlic, white wine, parsley, and of course, butter. Shrimp are the stars, so fresh is best. About 1 pound should do, preferably cleaned and deveined for convenience. Pain point, garlic can be tricky. Many find it daunting due to peeling or slicing consistency issues. No worries though. Natasha's Kitchen recommends using a garlic press. It's efficient and retains the flavor more intensely. Easy peasy. Heat is crucial. Overcooking shrimp is a common mishap. A quick saute is enough, approximately 2-3 minutes per side on medium-high heat will keep shrimp succulent. Pro tip, look for a pink opaque finish to ensure they're perfectly cooked. Wine could not, and the dilemma of choosing the right kind exists. Natasha suggests a dry white wine, like Sauvignon Blanc. Not a wine drinker, no problem. Substitute with chicken stock for an alcohol-free version, maintaining flavor depth. Butter, that magical ingredient that bridges flavors. We're talking about 4 tablespoons here. Melt it gradually with garlic, ensuring it doesn't burn. Slow and steady wins the race with butter, bringing richness to the dish. The lemon adds a zest that cuts through the richness of butter and garlic. The juice of 1 lemon is perfect, providing balance. A trick. Roll your lemon before cutting to extract more juice with less effort. Simple, but effective. Once the shrimp are cooked, deglaze the pan with wine, scraping those delightful browned bits. It's where magic happens. Let this heavenly concoction reduce slightly, concentrating the flavors before the grand reintroduction of shrimp. Fresh parsley for garnish, less a pain point, but more a forgotten hero. Roughly chop and sprinkle generously just before serving. Its freshness brightens the dish visually and in flavor, making an ordinary meal extraordinary. And then, imagine that plated dish, glistening shrimp nestled on a bed of linguine or with crusty bread on the side. It's a visual ceremony of colors and textures. This Natasha's Kitchen shrimp scampi is not just a meal, but an experience. Let's talk preparation time, because that's a biggie. From start to finish, you're looking at about 30 minutes. That's right, this culinary masterpiece can fit into a bustling schedule, making those weeknight meals feel gourmet. And there you have it, Natasha's Kitchen shrimp scampi for everyone to enjoy and impress. Trust me, that's the kind of dish that makes you wish you had more stomach space. Wonderfully straightforward, yet elegant, reflecting both simplicity and impact. Enjoy.